Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you two methods to change Wi-Fi password on Netgear Nighthawk AX12. If you use Netgear Nighthawk application, make sure your smartphone is connected to your router's Wi-Fi network, then open the app and find Wi-Fi settings. Tap on that and tap on your network name. By the way, you can untoggle this switcher and separate 2.4 and 5 GHz network and set different password for each band. But I recommend you to keep networks unified so that your devices will connect to the corresponding network at the highest possible speed. It's much better. So tap on your network name. And here is your name and password. You can tap on this eye to see what you type in. Delete your old password. Enter a new one. I hope your password is stronger than in this example. Then hit done and save your password. Your devices will be disconnected. Confirm this. Now it's applying configuration. Now you're required to join your network once again. So hit continue and confirm the action. The smartphone from which you're making changes will be connected to the network automatically with a new password. But as I told you, other devices will be disconnected and you have to reconnect each device separately using your new password. If you prefer to use a computer to manage your router, you can change the password from the web interface. To do this, make sure your computer is connected to your router, then open a web browser and enter the router's IP address. By default, it looks like this, 192.168.1.1. Hit enter and enter your username and password. You should know these credentials because you've created it by yourself on the router setup, so sign in as administrator. Ignore all windows you don't need and stay on the basic tab. Click on wireless tile and find your network name on this page. So here it is. Here is the password. Once again, delete old password, enter new one and scroll down to apply your changes. And keep in mind, the computer will not be reconnected to the router automatically, so after you change your password, you have to go to Wi-Fi settings and reconnect to the network manually and also reconnect your other devices. And that's how it works. If this video was helpful, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and see you in the next videos. Be awesome. Bye guys.